Hi, I'm Chloe with What's New in Electronics. We're on the final day of productronica on the Viscom stand. I'm with Nicolas. How are you?
Good morning. I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
Yes, very well, thank you. We have to ask, how's productronica been for you?
I would say it's great. It's really great. If we start a show and it's every year it's the same, you never really know how great it will be. But this year I can tell it's really great. Yeah. So we had some expectations, but I can tell you that right now we have, I think, the highest number of contacts, ever in Viscom history.
Wow.
So I think this is a great success. We have a new booth layout. We have new machines. New technologies. We have even new colleagues. We have colleagues from Asia here, from India, from Singapore, from the US. So I think it's really, really going great for us.
Fantastic. Have there been any areas in particular that have stood out for you?
So if we talk about the standard SMT inspection equipment, then I would say that the new 3D AOI technologies is really standing out for us. The AXI is super important still, and the demand for this technology is growing steadily. But if you look around, then you also see other stuff. For instance, Semiconductor Europe is here. Yeah, they are exhibiting a lot of things. They have a fully packed program. They have workshops going on. Viscom was also participating there, and it shows that there's a lot more for Viscom to tackle. And so I was also participating in the advanced packaging workshop, for instance. Super interesting. We can use our technologies to also work in the semiconductor environment. And if you look to the other halls, then you also see the power module production equipment, so to say. And this has turned out to be one of our major business this year, to be honest. So 2023, we had a really growing number of projects in this regard. We can use the existing technology to do that, and the demand is rising, like crazy. And especially in Asia, we have very promising projects. We have development projects going on with the big customers over there. So I would say power module inspection is really one of the things which is important aside from the standard SMT business. Yeah.
Absolutely. And would you say that there are any clear advantages of why somebody might work with Viscom?
So when it comes to the power module inspection, then it is a little different to what we do with the standard SMT stuff. So the power module inspection has some challenges, and I think in overall the general things that the combination between hardware, software, and also the AI stuff, so artificial intelligence things, gives us a really good combination. And so to go a little more into detail, so if we talk about power modules, then the challenge is to analyze the different layers in terms of defect recognition and so on. And Viscom is a very innovative company, so we have our own image chains when it comes to acquiring the raw data and so on, and the 3D reconstruction. So the image quality itself is pretty good. And the second thing is that we have kind of sophisticated software possibilities. So it's not about only the image quality itself; it's also about the detection algorithms, and this is also supported by AI. And our newest development, actually, for the X-ray technology is or gives us the possibility to achieve high image quality, but directly with also maintaining a high UPH. So this is what the customers is looking for. They want high image quality, but they also want to achieve the throughput. And the latest technology is really helping. So I would say this is the best argument to go for Viscom.
Absolutely. And if you're not busy enough already, am I hearing rightly that you're potentially looking into the semiconductor sector, and are you moving forward with there?
Yes, we do.
Okay.
The simple reason is the semiconductor industry is also using same technology as we use for the standard SMT. But the semiconductor industry is so huge, so big. It's so much bigger than the standard SMT automotive industry. And we already have quite a high number of semiconductor customers, exciting development projects. The potential is huge, and I'm kind of excited that we have new things coming up for this industry very soon.
That leads me on to, what does 2024 look like for Viscom? Lots of change already happening now and coming to the end of the year. So what does the future look like for you?
I hope it will be bright. I think it will be bright because Viscom is not only focusing on the SMT standard. So now we are moving into the semiconductor industry. We have these power module topics. And Viscom has always been a very innovative company, and we have different segments we are already working into. So, for instance, also the battery inspection. And I think we are the only supplier who's doing SPI, CCI, AOI, AXI, wire bond, battery inspection. So this is a huge portfolio, and every time when one segment is slowing down a different one is coming up. So I think we're well prepared for next year, and I'm particularly excited that we will be launching new systems in 2024, which will be tailored to the semiconductor industry. And then I think I'm looking positively into next year.
That's fantastic. Innovation on the horizon, innovation already happening. It's incredible. And big things coming for Viscom. Thank you for taking the time, Nicolas. I really appreciate it.
Thanks for having me. Thank you so much, Chloe.
Thanks.
Thank you.